Hey, testing, testing. Can anyone hear me? Can I get a GM? Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? Alright, so we will start quite soon. Alright, I'm going to check on our Telegram as well. Oh yeah, let me do broadcast to our futures channel as well. So start the schedule, no more waiting. Let's start. Alright, just start now. So I will share the screen. Hey, hi, conference. Good morning. Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? It's happening. Let's go check the exchange group. GM, who's here? Right, so any one of you, if you haven't followed our official live Twitter and haven't joined our streamer partners campaign or the Telegram group chat, please do so, okay? I'm looking forward. So today, we will be having a really exciting series coming on, alright? So comment below, like, what kind of topic are you expecting next live streaming? So I do know today I also invite some live streamer partner to join me and support me. So welcome all of you and thanks so much for supporting. And guys, if you are even not a live streamer, do join our channel here, and in there we'll update you whenever our live streamer partner is going to live. Okay, so it's not just me, alright? I'm not the only one doing live streaming for us, but they will also share some market information, some trading info, some alpha, some good projects to invest. Okay, so do the investing, do the education, join the channel. So by the way, this live streaming is also live on our KuCoins Futures Twitter. So feel free to join us as well, and I will say hi to Twitter's audience. Hello. Let me check the live chat Twitter. So by the way, we are going to have the post live quizzes on KuCoins Exchange Telegram. Alright. Okay. Without further ado, let's start. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I'm Selena, your host today. I'm super excited to dive into the world of future tradings. So whenever you're like a total newbie or just brushing up, or even like you already entered the crypto market for a long time but you just do the only thing you do is spot trading, buy and hold, then today is for you. Okay, we will cover real actionable stuff to help you trade smarter. Alright, so let's comment in the chat whether your experience level are you a beginner, intermediate, or a pro? Alright, so what is futures? Did anyone like study finance in university or college? Because I do. So before we teach about futures, we do have to learn about forward. But I really don't want to make it a lecture, right? It's so boring. But just let you see what did I learn from my school. So okay, I know that forward is like tools to like hedging if you expect the price to go up but you are afraid it will go down very quickly, you get a forward so that you can trade in your margin account, you just have to open a very small secured margin price, and then you can trade like leverage. So that's what we learned in school, right? But today, I'm going to show you a funnier way to understand what is future. So this is what is future explained by Kat. First of all, Kat runs a fishery and catch fishes. The cost catch a loss of money, right? But Kat is very worried about the future value of fishes drop. Like for example, its original 100 of shells valued in year 0, Kat is the owner of this fish. So it is very worried about like what if the value drops in the next year to like 80 shells? What do we do? And at the same time, we have another cat. We have a boss cat. Boss cat instead owns a factory and need to buy fishes. So he's worried about fish prices raising. So boss cat wanted to agree with the cat that boss cat buy fish in exchange for 100 shells a year from now. Cat is worried that the price of fish will drop and Cat will not be able to recover his car. So that's why Cat will readily agree. So 1 year later, the price of the fish reached 120 shells. Boss Cat is happy. So tell me why. Why is Boss Cat happy but not the original cat happy? So remember the position, one of them is in the long position and one of them is in the short position. Who is in the long position? The original cat who owns the factory, right? He or she really wants the price to go up so that he or she can earn a lot of money and recover the cost. However, the boss cat, who is like a vendor of the cat, he wants the cost to go downward so that he can buy the fishes cheaper. So that's why they are two counterparties. Okay, that's the jargon's part. Okay, so seriously, what is a future contract? So future contract is actually derived from a forward contract. So a forward contract we just explained, which is quite complicated. It can be like numerous combination, and it's not only limited to like financial good. Okay, so we can make it forward on gold, on commodity, or even like your house, but that's not common, right? So for the one is more common, we make a futures. It's like a lot of people here in the world who love to trade this kind of trading pairs. We make a future for that. So it's like a structuralized, already structuralized product of forward. So the definition here is like the agreement to buy or sell an asset at a future date and at a certain price. So unlike spot trading, you are not just like buying Bitcoin and waiting it goes up. You can even profit from it even Bitcoin goes down. So the real example is like if you expect Bitcoin to go up, you long it, right? If you expect it to go fall or go dropping, you short it. So it's not going to say like call or put. Okay, that's for option. And who here is like curious about what option is? We can talk about it like in the next section or next live streaming. Just let me know. Okay, so some terms here is really important related to futures. So what is open interest? So imagine a lemonade stand future markets. So day 1, Miss A, for example Alice, buys 1 contract to get 10 lemonades next month. Not now, but next month at $5. Which means she think that it will goes up. But Bob instead sell it. So this is counted as 1 trade, right? So the open interest is counted as 1. And day 2, the third guy comes into the market. Chris wants to buy 2 contracts from Dana, from the fourth girl, okay, a new seller. And then the open interest becomes 3. Why? Because the day 1, they only have 1 interest, and day 2, they have 2 interests, two contracts, okay? So which makes the open interest become 3. So 1 buy, 1 sell equal to 1 open interest. So 2 contracts means 2 buys and 2 sell, which accumulates to 3 open interests. And then in day 3, Alice sells her contract back to someone else. It doesn't matter, which means Alice is already closes her position. What's his position? Let's try. Okay. In day 1, she buys 1 contract. She long the contract, right? So in day 3, she sells her contract back. No matter whom she's selling to, she already closed the position. What position? The long position in day 1, okay? Therefore, this contract, the open interest in day 1 drops. Because Alice already closed the position, so the open interest drops to 2. It will only left the Chris 2 contracts 1, okay? So if prices shoot up and open interest keep growing, what does that mean? Actually, in financial world, it shows us more people are jumping in, excited about price lemon. So in crypto, we name it what? What do we name it? It's a FOMO. Do you know what's FOMO? Yeah, the fear of missing out. So more and more people coming into the market, joining the market, trading more. This is what we call the FOMO. And if you ever heard of a really experienced traditional finance trader said, you fear when people are greedy, and you're greedy when people are extremely fair. So recently, I know everyone can see that the crypto market is going down. Bitcoin is down into 5 figures in USDT, right? So what do you think? What's your point of view towards that? Leave a comment below, okay? Okay, I'll just pause here for a little bit and say hi to the audience. Hi Will, hi Jacket, and hi Verlinia from Twitter. Nice to meet you. Do introduce more and more people to join us, alright? So let's see who's in the Telegram group. Who's in the Telegram group? Say hi. Alright, so let's continue. So for newbies, so you just don't have to memorize all the vocabulary because that's really boring part. So I'm just going to skip it. So of course, trading future has their own pros and cons. It's actually a hedging tool for risk. It has a really high liquidity, and you can always trade it, 24 hours, 7 days trading on Bitcoin. But the cons, of course, you can lose everything due to leverage, can lose more than what you invest. So actually, we do offer up to 100 times leverage on selected pairs of futures. Alright, so this is a fun part. How do we actually trade futures on Bitcoin on our platform? Let's see, okay? Can anyone hear the sound of the video? Does it have no sound? Alright, so let's skip the boring part. So you just have to transfer some money to your future accounts, and then select a pair that you like. And here on the right hand side, you can buy, sell, long, or short. Alright, so if you're worried about the risk, of losing all your money, just try to like we do have a demo trading on our platform, and you won't lose any of your money there. Alright guys, here's come to the main part of today. Alright, I'm going to share you like 3 exciting programs with numerous like generous prize pool here. So the first one is from our live streaming team. So come to be our live streamer, whether you have or have not experienced live stream trade, and then you can share our 210k reward pool. Alright, log in or sign up to join our event. So the event is actually holding for this month until next month, December 1st of 2025. So how to join that and what you have to go? So what you have to do is like you go live on any other social media platform, whether it's on Twitter, Twitch, YouTube, Telegram, I don't care, alright? The point is you have to be related to cryptocurrency, you have to be related to crypto industry. For example, we would like to, for example, what I just did now is some futures 101, right? It's just for the newbie. But what you can do, you can introduce more trading strategies. You can analyze the market, all right? And it has to be at least 45 minutes or longer. And before your live streaming, you have to share your live stream here. And the link of joining this event is already inside the description on YouTube live streaming, and also in the pin message of KuCoin Exchange Telegram group, and also on our Twitter live. Alright, so go to the comment section, ask any question in the group, and our admin will help you solve it. And then after your live stream, you have to upload the live replays. So sign up here today, now, and contact me if you have any question. So I don't care whether you have like experienced live streaming, it doesn't matter to us, right? Because we will also teach you how to be a live streamer. So to be honest, yesterday and the day before yesterday, I just called for like 3 to 5 totally newbie in live streaming industry. They never do a YouTuber, they don't even have a really huge fan space, they're not a really large KOL. But what I did is that I teach them how to start your first live streaming. I provide them with like topics to do live streaming, and I bring traffic to them. But of course, for your first live stream, I cannot like just randomly bring traffic into your social media, right? Because I have to make sure that your live stream quality is great. So as long as it's great, we will help you grow. So do sign up to the event today and be our streamer, all right? And then trade on it and share the generous prize pool, right? So if you're telling me like, but I'm really not interested in like live streaming, what should I do? What else can I do? You can join a futures trading competition. So this is for traders, or you can see here, it will end very soon. It will end in this weekend. So it's just 2 days, 5 hours to go. So register here. So for this register, it doesn't mean like register for our platform. It's just register for this trading event. So let's take a look at the 30,000 USDT prize pool. So we do have a trading leaderboard. The reward is distributed proportionally according to your trading volume. So what do we calculate? How do we calculate for trading volume? It's your principal times your leverage. So for example, you only put your real money for like $100, but you do open it for like a for example a 100 leverage, then 100 times 100, it will be already a 10,000. I think I got it. I think I didn't get it wrong, right? I mean, like, yeah, 10,000 trading volume. So it's actually really not hard to do so. So do join our trading competition and win the 30,000 USDT prize pool. Okay? So I also got another exciting competition to share with you guys. It's actually our RWA trading competition. So this one is actually more and more generous. Okay, so it's around 50,000 prize pool. The rewards include Bitcoin, Ethereum, KBIT, KGen, and our Q points. So do log in or sign up to join our event. So I want to introduce you here specifically for some futures newcomers. If you never trade futures before, you will have an exclusive $20 gift. First come, first serve, of course. So just register your futures account here. So for example, you already use KuCoin for a while. However, you never trade future on us. Then this is for you. So it's an extra 20 USDT gift. So for all users, don't worry. We also got really generous price pool for you, okay? So for tier 1, if you daily trading lucky draw, so you just trade every day and then you can draw here to get some reward. So you can review the reward here. It's really generous. Yeah, you can get the 0.01 BTC. Yeah, the tax is also specified here. So you just trade more than or equal to 500 USDT. But we are talking about trading volume, you know. We are not talking about your principal. So you just, for example, for a 100 leverage future contract, you just have to put like $5. So $5 for one lucky draw. And the reward for lucky draw is like 100% guaranteed that you will get some reward from here. And then we also have some weekend trading bonus. So you can see like the event is still ongoing, but will end this weekend, you know, like November 16th. So do join now and get very generous reward, alright? So we also have some new users welfare and you can join the futures competition as well. So don't worry guys, we already helped you like excluding all the VIP 5 or above users. We helped you to exclude the institutional users so that the competition is not too competitive, alright? So you just have to join the event, trade, especially RWA futures or some other futures pairs here, and you can join quite generous prize pool competition. And to be fair, so yeah, you can only choose one event to join. For example, you choose to join like future trading competition here, the prize pool will be along this website, because you cannot like count one single trade but earn two prize pools, right? So it's not fair to anyone else. So as well as this streamer live stream, so how do you share this 210,000 prize pool? So you actually share it proportionally by how much you trade. Yeah, so that's actually 3 trading competition with generous prize pool events. So let's write it up. The first one is for live streamers. The second one is future trading. And the third one is RWA futures trading. Alright, so I will check whether you guys have any questions. There's no. Are we joining the main? Anyone? Yeah. GM, hello. So yeah, we do have our post live quiz after the live streaming. Yeah, I'm checking the Twitter comments now. So do you guys have any topics that you want to hear for next time's live stream? So do join our event. And let me call to action once more again, please. So please join our Telegram group, search KuCoin streamer, and I will post some daily updated crypto news there. And also for KuCoin Futures Live, do follow us on Twitter as well. I really need the growth from all of you, okay? And for those who are interested in being a live streamer, DM me, okay? DM me at KuCoin Live 6 on Telegram for live streaming, and do follow us on Twitter and join our community for more live streaming to watch. And before your ever trading, do remember to do your own research. Okay, so all links are pinned in group under the description or comment section. So ask me anything if you have any questions, and be careful of the post quiz. I mean, like the post live quizzes. It will be held on our KuCoin Exchange Telegram. Go for it, and you can earn some point from it. Also, DM your suggestion of my next kind of topic for live streaming. I'll go through it, and I will talk about the topics or like news or anything that you guys are interested. And of course, at the same time, we will still be having such generous events going on, which will be end in just 2 days. All right, these 2 events will both end in this weekend. So join now. All right. Okay, guys, that was really fun. I mean, today is great. So, friends, everyone for tuning in. You now have some basic understanding for real futures knowledge, but not just like learning how to buy it, or like so futures trading is not gambling. So we don't buy it whenever you like. So do your own research, be responsible investor, and do invest in KuCoin, and practice safely on KuCoin. Follow us, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.